Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be all about nettle, and we're going to refer to the stinging nettle for its medicinal and for its health benefits as well. And nettle is very amazing because it's considered one of the best herbs for helping us to simply make a gentle detox, because it is filled with minerals, filled with vitamins, and it's also considered to be a great astringent. It has diuretic properties. It's also tonifying for the body, and it's very important for the circulatory system because it's considered as a great circulatory stimulant, and actually helps promote milk flow in nursing moms as well. Nettles are amazing. They can be used for so many different things, from tea to capsules to tinctures, but also they are used in the process of urtication, and this is a great folk remedy where they actually beat with fresh nettles, and it's said to be a great remedy for arthritis and rheumatism as well. And nettles are very cleansing to the body and nourishing as well. I know they use them to make pesto as well as tea, and they use them to make all sorts of different remedies, which we'll get to later on. And what happens with nettles is that nettles contain histamine, and they also contain other things such as minerals like silicia, also vitamin A, B, C, and tannins as well. So what happens with nettles is that they take the minerals, including iron, from the soil, and they are a great tonic for anemia as well, because they contain a high content of vitamin C, as well as they are rich in iron, and it's the type of iron that is easily absorbed by the body. And nettles also help in clearing uric acid from the system, and also relieving gout and arthritis. And the fact that they are astringent is important when it comes to helping with stopping bleeding as well. Nettles contain histamine, and that's why they have that sting to them, and they are also important for the hair growth, important for hair loss as well, anyone suffering from hair loss. And all parts of the nettle is used, including the root, which is traditionally used as a conditioner for falling hair and dandruff as well, and the stalk and the leaves are used to make tea, and they're also used as a general detox and a general nutrition for the body in general. And the seeds are amazing because you can make so many different things with the seeds, including a nettle seed oil, which is amazing for arthritis or any sort of sore joint pain. You can also make an ointment using the seeds. You can make different things, and I know here in Finland they do sell the seeds dried, and I could easily harvest them just like I did last year. When it comes to, I use them basically like hemp seeds as well. Make sure you dry them up and use them like hemp seeds, so sprinkle them up on top of yogurt, for example, or in your smoothies, or in any sort of nutritional blend that you would like to increase the amount of nutrition in there. Now be careful, they are a little bit on the high end when it comes to testosterone, so I wouldn't use them all the time. The easiest and simplest way to make nettle is to make it in an infusion, and that way you use only the dried nettle for that, and it can be taken to stimulate the circulation and also to cleanse the system in terms of a gentle detox. It's really effective when it comes to arthritis, rheumatism, eczema as well, and it also helps in increasing the milk flow when it comes to the nursing mothers as well. So when you make an infusion, if you are harvesting your own nettle, it would be great to focus on the younger fresh shoots, and then dry them up and make your infusion that way. Another way is to make a nettle tincture, or you can purchase it from the herbal shop or from the health food store. And a nettle tincture is usually used for arthritic disorders, skin problems, and also heavy menstrual bleeding. When it comes to that, nettles are amazing because not only do they help with regulating the menstrual cycle, but also helping with reducing the bleeding if that is a problem for you as a female. Also, they can be used as a compress, not all the time. It's not that common. Nettles are more common to be used as either a tincture or as a infusion, but a compress is really helpful when it comes to using nettles, and these ones are used mostly from a diluted tincture. They dilute the tincture and then they soak a powder in the tincture. They apply it to painful arthritic joints and sprains and also sore joints as well. And the ointment is quite common here in Finland and in Europe in general, and the ointment is to be used on areas like hemorrhoids or external inflamed areas as well of the skin. Another way to use nettle is to use it as a powder, and that is basically from drying the nettle, grinding it into a powder, and using it to make all sorts of different remedies like that. Now, if you have access to the nettle root, it would be amazing, because that way you can use it as a deconcussion and make it as a hair rinse. Really important for hair loss, important to serve as a general conditioner, and also great for dandruff as well. So we've come towards the end of our video today. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.